Oh.
Kill me.
You want some strong back six?
Yeah.
Yes?
Every time you're supposed to get front to your back at earth.
Yeah.
Who you back at me?
You can't want gravy no more?
Just a fat first class.
Gravy I get fat?
Fire!
Yeah.
Just that.
Gravy, we have to go side.
BBL gravy.
Make your man can't manage no more. 6. Where's your next man have to get a job?
Yes.
Somebody else have to get a job? You sure? You don't go jealous?
Same black one up one slim.
Yeah.
Slim as. So I know what make gravy chicken smoke 2 years. Eh? Yeah, my chicken go.
Just that.
Back at me.
Oh.
Yo.
Fire! Yeah, one man. No more, bro. Things back at that shit. We am.
Like him want me drop it. How much drop him want me drop?
Oh, man.
Why 2 consecutive days in a row we've been at the spot.
Yes.
The HQ.
Yes.
Yes. And today we bring a bunch of other females with us again. As usual, because you don't know what the thing said. Yeah, we have to highlight the females them. Yes, because I know the guys them like to see that, not true?
Yes.
Highly. So we there do it here, sir. No cooking on a Sunday. We just go easy. Some sandwiches.
Yeah. Happenings?
Yep. So we are back at the usual settings. And as you see, there's a couple folks over there. I don't know what new from who don't new, but we're here. We're gonna do some. We're gonna give them some sandwich to eat today. But enough of them claim they don't eat sandwich.
Not who?
I don't know them like that.
Bambi?
She claims she don't do all that thing. Watch her.
Easy, you know. You think they see like you? Ain't it?
He said, I tried to say, she annoying. He said, she honey.
Oi, where is it? She annoying?
And that's what I say, no?
Nice shots.
Yes.
Nice shots. Nice shots.
Yes.
Go, she got bush. Go, thing, got bush. Road card. Watch it.
Let people alone, man.
Yeah, very chicken, man. I'm going to cry about you. Man, this. Look, yeah.
You don't get no rum.
Yeah, man. All day, you know. 40.
Active.
Nah, bring.
You know that name Bambi, right?
I'm at 433.
You know them call it, right?
Watch out.
Pero why she calling for woman for?
Nah, burst. Yeah? Nah, boss, car. If big me go in there.
Who going there?
Me?
You going there?
Yeah? Where's that stuck? It's stuck. And what is? Woman stuck. Woman, why you stuck? Why you stuck? One baby and then it laugh.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, repose my before 6 over there, no?
Eh.
Yeah, come there, I texted from the brown then.
That,
Brown, I
that.
said, move me on the size. I said, 6, so you have how much you want over there? So we are texted from the brown and
The one brown in.
Brown and strike, yeah.
Can't you see brown close to you, man?
Yeah,
You
you
try.
take, yeah.
Everything you chop on you, chop on you.
Everything, that man.
God. Yes. So, I saw this murderer.
Yeah, man.
Mayonnaise.
You know?
Yeah.
It's a mayonnaise.
Veganese.
It's a veganese. Yeah, so
Okay.
see there, a veganese we are used today, not the traditional mayonnaise because you see we are get health conscious, you know, so we meet health conscious people.
Yeah,
Rather than introduce it to the
Yeah.
veganese.
Veganese, yeah,
See,
man.
so we are gonna work
Strictly
with it today.
plant-based, you know?
Strictly plant base.
Yeah, man.
Yes, highly. And it smells just like the mayonnaise, you know. Yeah, it have the same smell, and I'm pretty sure it have the same taste.
Same thing, trust me.
Yeah, but it's just healthier. That's all.
Okay.
Highly.
You know, you're the one police argument yesterday about man going to house. Yes. The argument never done because the battery did dead. So what Bingy they said to him now, Bingy? Continue the story.
What was about the man going to the house?
Yeah.
Go,
Yes. Go catch man and woman.
yeah, and we ask you where you would do. No, you
no, you don't answer.
No, remember battery they dead. Remember the battery they dead.
About your life
So,
now. When
I
you
don't
done?
really want to deliberate on certain things. So, you didn't heard about that before me mentioned it yesterday?
No. Never hear about it. But I see a picture. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, make a repeat the scenario.
Yes.
See, a man going to the house, go catch him wife to the next man in them house. See, no, man kill wife and man kill man. No, me ask Johnny in a situation like that, what him would do.
What me would do?
Yeah.
I don't think my woman would be so bright and ferocious to take some little careless guy off of the street in my bedroom. That's when me come on my pull door and come in. Me come say, careless man in my bed with my respectable wife. A dugu.
You what? You're respectable what?
Wife?
If she was that respectable, she wouldn't be in the bed with the next man.
I'm not talking about her, no, I'm talking about my wife. Because it seemed like she wasn't respectable.
No, well, me I talk about scenario with you. So your wife we are talking about now, you know, 'cause we are create a scenario. If it
So
was
you're
you,
saying,
what would you do?
In my case, right? Says,
Yeah.
am I something that?
Yeah.
And me come see that I go on.
Yeah.
If I will react the same way,
How would you react? When I ask if you react the same way, how would you react?
people have to leave and move out right away.
So how you don't operate?
I wouldn't operate like what that guy that go that
You
guy.
sure?
No, I wouldn't.
No,
I
how you
wouldn't.
don't do it? How you don't do it? Just give me an idea of how you
All
don't
right, simple
deal
then.
with it.
Probably from open the door and see the action, the movie I film, the script right, and I read the script.
Yeah.
I would take time, just drop back the door,
Mm-hmm.
lock the door, walk out back way, and make them have
You
them
not
fun.
do that.
No, I would do that.
You not do that.
No, I'm brave enough to do that.
You not do that.
So when you see that, it's a different feeling, you know.
Exactly.
Talking about it and seeing that different
Yes,
feeling.
absolutely.
You see it, you react differently.
Yes.
You can't.
Yes.
You see
That
me?
are true. That are true.
So you have to think about that too.
Yeah.
I think I'm.
You probably would have wanted to do that, and you probably know that's the right thing to do. I'm not gonna say probably that is the right thing to do, but how you would really angle it is based on the state of mind that you are in at the time.
At the time.
Yeah, it's based on a lot of things. It's based on the relationship where you have with this woman. If it was rocky, if it was smooth. Say for example, this relationship was smooth and you never have no idea whatsoever that she would ever do something like that, because guess what? You feel like you and this woman have a steady relationship in the sense that you feel like, say, oh, she would never do that. So remember now, you know, you're walking up into a woman who you have that feeling about that, oh, my wife? No, not my respectable wife, like just like you just stated. Yeah. No, your so-called respectable wife, you walk up and see her like that. You're not gonna lock door around your
Bad business, right?
Yeah. That make me paint the picture for
Okay.
you.
Bad business.
Yeah.
Bad business.
But you know what I think happened to Bingy? I think there was some informant right there. I don't think, because I think this dude, that's what I'm talking about, the law guy, I think he heard. I don't think he just walk up in that buck. I don't think it's a buck up thing.
Well, you know what reached me already in a real life? I tell you what reached me already. I got one girl yard. See? The girl tell me say she not no man. See? When I there the girl yard and I sleep at the girl yard. See? Night call. See? Because of winter time, night call.
Yeah.
And lay down in a bed. After we done do a thing and lay down in a bed, well comfortable blanket cover up. In a drawers alone.
Yeah.
See? I feel something cool on my inside.
And the machine.
Oh, me tell a real story, me
What
tell you.
say?
Me feel something cool on my ear side, so. See? And when me turn so and look up, the man put his hand on him mouth and say, shh. What more can I do? You think me have to be obedient at that
react.
point?
Yeah.
No, me have to be obedient.
I know,
The man put his hand on him mouth and say, shh.
Silence.
Yeah. And the man whisper and say, yo, put on your clothes and left us.
A week.
No,
I'm
that man rate you.
I'm the quickest man go through one door. Out that door, me go put on my clothes them.
Hey,
No, real story me I tell you, no, virgin. Out that door, me go put on my clothes them. Now that man handle it in a civil way.
Yeah.
You know, and guess why? It's based on the relationship that him and this woman had.
Yeah, man.
You get to me forward from. So you see, in different situations,
Oh,
people
sir.
would angle it in different ways.
Yeah.
Maybe this was just a girl where him a dogo. You understand? She don't really mean nothing to him, but him have her luck. So when him come see me and her now, you know, it don't really hurt him so much. But at the same time, me can't stay there, so. And him put him down and go kill. Yeah, man, the man put me out, man. Neat. The girl, I know the girl knows me left. I probably, after me leave, she know. The girl knows me left. She no wake up.
But he don't even come in the house with no gun and them something anything.
No, the man have a key for the house, you know. And the girl tell me, say, no man live with her, no brother. And the key, the man push and come in the house, you know. In the house, you know. No female house, but him and her there, but him have a key to the apartment. Push him key and come in.
God.
So a real story, me I tell you, we catch eye.
So when you go home, you start thinking about this, you can't eat.
Oh, me?
Cause
The egg girl, like, how you talk about me keep away from them girl like, oh, I'm telling you, I'm afraid that egg girl like puss from that. What me say? That's why me I telling you, some more the woman them out here, them will cost you no life.
yeah.
Yeah, man, in real life, some of them wicked. When me say wicked, me mean dry eye, wicked. You walk in and see a man with the next woman. In a real life. No, for real, just, I mean, you talk, man. Come on, how you don't deal with that?
Answer, man.
Go.
Tell me that for real.
No. Did you heard about the case? What happened with the policeman walking and see this guy at the bed with his woman at Dugudu? Did you heard about it? It happened 2 days ago or 3 days ago. You didn't heard about it? Oh well, that's what we are talking about right now. So he's saying simple to you. You walk in your complex, and when you walk in your complex, ma'am, you come see some different woman in there with your special design, man. And Dugu. He's saying, how would you react to that, right? That's what you're saying. How would you react to that? As a female, seriously.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know.
You just walk away and cry.
You don't want to hold that girl by your head, don't?
No.
Oh, no?
No.
Well, me believe you,
But the
from
girl
me see the
to me.
expression there.
What did the girl never do nothing to
So
me?
you don't want to hold the man then? And the man you don't direct more of your negative energy on.
But the man may have something for nothing.
I like how you talk. Yeah, that makes sense.
That
I
makes
like how
sense.
she talk. No, in a real life. Because suppose you have your good man. You love up. See?
I said about you.
We love up and rate up and respect up. I mean, real love, you in love with this man. See? And you and him live together. Because, you know, the relationship is that tight. So they live together now. You know, building a life together. You gotta work. As usual, come home, even go do your thing, and you come home and you cook and eat and sleep like a regular family. But one night you come in, innocently, you go in your door just like a routine, when you pop the door and look, because you didn't expect to come home so early. When you look, and she and one girl you see, him and one girl you sit in a bed, him and a woman you sit in a bed, I wind up and I do them thing. How you don't react?
Me I be the two of them.
See me I talk about?
What you just hear?
Me I be the two of them.
Yeah, the two of them.
Two of them me I be.
Yeah,
Two of them.
I said about
What you
No,
do?
no, the question they go for the whole hour. I want to answer
All
the
the
question
females.
there.
I'm answer already. I'm say Muda join.
You're not
Giant.
giant.
Upset for
Ah,
Muda
you're
join.
giant, you're giant. You know you're not giant.
Hold on.
You see that?
Yeah, Bambi. Of course.
Yeah, what you done
So
do?
what you do?
You mean I Muda join.
You done
Yeah,
done?
Udo Giant.
Me Muda join.
Yeah, Udo Giant.
Muda
Udo
join.
Giant.
Upset for what?
So hold on,
What you
hold
da do?
on.
What you da do?
Hold on, I have a question for you. Come here and say one done giant. One done giant. One done giant. Now, let me create this scenario a little more graphic.
Yeah.
And let me see if you're going to answer the question the same
same,
way if
yeah.
you would have joined. Suppose this woman are your biggest
Your best
matey.
friend,
No,
our
your
best
biggest matey. Where you not like none at all. You done join?
No.
Alright. No, no, stop the joining talk now.
Wait. So you talk about the girl I'm my biggest mate. So me know about the girl. And that's why I try to
Biggie run gun?
No,
me know about the girl, Bingy. Me know say she my
No,
mate.
I for your best
Wait a minute, if you know
friend.
say your
Your
matey.
best
Are
friend.
you-
What you da do? You da join? Say
No,
what?
what I mean by matey? My best friend.
The enemy.
Yeah, hate her.
You hate her, she not like you not like her none at all. And she not like you none at all.
Man.
Oh, you don't
Someone
react?
lock back the door and make them finish on them at the man.
You?
Me not lock back the door.
No.
I'm gonna smoke a split.
I'm gonna smoke a split and all I made. And then after we done now, when that
I
done,
wouldn't do nothing.
you don't mention it to the man?
Yes.
What you say?
I'm gonna ask him if he can collect.
Just mentioning it. You don't do it in such calm manner.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him if he can collect nothing.
Oh,
He
okay.
can give me something now, fight. I'm gonna say you really out for free.
There's a pimp.
I'm gonna say you're free. I give you your body for free. I say that's not cute. I say you need to collect, sir.
So when say mama you're giant?
I'm not join me a beat
You know about that giant cause
But
I'm
I come out and just go in the kitchen.
And just get one
Fine,
night.
I'm so fine.
I'm not going to start, but I just throw something and slap him in the fin head.
Pot cover. Anything
Yeah.
you catch.
I'm could have run going the same way.
Gravy, what you do?
What you gonna do?
Can't say nothing. Give it speechless.
Eh, what you do?
She's speechless.
For me, would I don't know.
Fuck a six bar.
It's a fucker 6 bars.
Gravy?
We not the 6?
Fire! Huh?
What she done do? What Gravy done do?
What's that?
What's your job, everyone?
If we see that, would I just give him some raw?
You know?
Would I mash him up, man? Wicked.
Alright.
Boy,
Yeah, when I see
oh, me.
Yeah, a gangster.
I'm a fuck.
Alright, boy man.
So what me a fight?
You see people?
With a mash up the
Different
you know,
reaction
and the girl
to
me I
different
me stop
people.
her him first. If she want jump in, mash up she too.
That Ronin say.
Yeah.
Should I start for our man?
If me I start pan first, me not stop on a girl, me stop on a girl for me till I forgot.
No, well, me personally, I tell you when we don't come in a fear if you ask one the same question and me can answer the question in my seat. The scenario was flipped around. My wife, I put it as that because I'm not pretty the thing up. My wife who I live with, married, ring on. I'm come in and book her with a man like that in the bed. Me not go do none of what I want to do. Me not go draw a door and act like me no see. Me go make them know so me see them. Me go make them know. So what happen? When I enjoy myself. You want to know? No, in a real life.
You say ask you don't want some water.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get sarcastic. You know me I say because you want to know.
Cook her dinner.
I'm not gonna expect everybody to handle it the same way, you know. Because not everybody as composed to handle it the same way. But these are scenarios that I always have in the back of my head because I never there with a woman and feel like say me and her forever. Some man have that type of mentality. When you have a mentality, when you have a woman, it causes you to react when you're disappointed because of your expectation of this woman. My expectation of no woman is to stay with me forever. I always feel like a woman is going to cheat. So I always hope for the best and expect the worst. You understand? Yeah, that is my thing.
I know say I do it, so the only way you
Yeah, so my reaction would have been more composed in terms of I would be sarcastic and letting them feel like shit, then I leave.
Yeah.
Simple as that. So me I deal with it.
Kind of things.
Yeah.
Terrible something. Well, look at drama for today. Me I go in the kitchen go cook them dinner till them. So where you make my own.
Yeah, let me hold it.
No camera for me. No, X me out. Me not do. Nobody
Laugh with the Chinese.
laugh. Yeah, you know already.
You just laugh and walk away.
Laugh and walk away.
Documentary. So me just go cook them.
And just walk out.
You know the little louder.
Me not do.
Come just go to know where you would do.
Also, me not do.
Not laugh out.
Me not laugh, but me not do.
Yeah, she say come fuck 6 bars.
6 for you that do.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nah, do.
Liar.
You come back on
I
sauce.
too much girl out there for 6.
6 a war. Me tell her that.
Come here.
6 a pick up big stone and mash it and dry away.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
I start ball.
So why if a gravy? We're not talking about no other woman in a gravy. We are
Yo,
talking
come
about
here, 6, come here.
If somebody just called to me
Come on,
and
my brother.
say, "Well, we know my shot and draw me and say,
Come here.
Pussy, come." 6.
No.
Come here.
I
Yo, listen to me. Suppose you see gravy with
Why
a
you-
listen to me now, man.
Fire.
Suppose you see gravy with a guy, with a man, and a dugu. What you done do? What you done do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What a chat bush.
You do?
What a chat bush.
You shot bush?
Watch out, push.
Man, mad.
Man, say I go chop bush, brother. I'm going to get a business. Go.
Yes.
Yes.
Man, mado.
Jesus Christ.
6 7 I got chop bush.
Fire. Big motherfucker.
We are telling you that far. Yes, openings.
Like, just like how the virgin deal with it. The virgin don't know me, so him never really take him anger out for me. Him probably pull him machine because him don't know me.
Yeah.
So it's a protection kind of thing. If he really want to hurt me and come to hurt me, we don't deal with me different.
Yeah.
That wasn't his intention. You see me forward? So me understand what she said. He more upset with the woman. When me left up, she probably get some box from now till a man. Me I tell you, woman love body, you know, when body sweet, you know, virgin. Woman do the thing, you know. He browning. running in a situation like that. Because first of all, you're going to imagine, you don't have no choice. It's going to be instinctive. Right away, you're going to imagine, oh, your boyfriend did I make love to this woman and get the nice something where you think it was yours and you know how nice it is. And this woman I enjoy it right now. So I know how that's supposed to feel. Done.
No man ever back it? Eh? No? Oh, you sure? Because someone ain't girl that take abuse.
What do you mean by girl that take abuse? Bueno.
So you mean, you see? Because someone...
The man them a beat the man.
Yeah, but some woman stay with it. That's why I'm saying them take it. Because some woman, a man might do it for the first time and she say, boy, you know, at the first time, him the angry. So she find an excuse for him action. You know say, you know, say, at my fault, she start to blame herself.
What am I acting? My man there. Oh, hello, lady. Hello, ma'am. There's a man there.
Where man there?
Don't laugh.
Where you woman there?
Bueno, no. Bye. No, friend then.
Friend them. Friend them. Friend them.
No, friend then.
Hey, friend them.
Louis was him say, Louis little brother this, me can't hurt him. So that me have that in my favor at the time also. Because if you go back to tell my brother about it and laugh about it, you know. Yeah, he go back to show me bigger brother, my older brother and laugh about it. So right there and then me know say, me never afraid to pass him again, me never afraid for I wasn't intimidated by him because I know him never mean me no harm.
Yeah.
You get where me forward from? Yeah, him never mean me no harm.
Bây giờ phục ra bữa này phục.
Right. Yeah, right.
Right. Anh đừng phải có. Anh đây ra.
Yo,
Em này baka asim. Go on that bush now, we send one of them for you. Go on that bush. Go on. Six of the gravy bun right in our face. Big six.
Big put that. No, no.
You don't go over there, sir.
Busha coco pan, busha coco.
Yo, the girl don't care over there. Come in. Rest okay, yo. Go on.
Six come now.
And where him a come from this time?